If you own a heating and air conditioning company and you provide a maintenance agreement, it's something that may be an annual subscription, a monthly subscription, and so forth, it's important to make sure that that's visible to consumers, because there are a lot of consumers who are actually coming to a heating and air conditioning company wanting to know that if I choose to work with you to install a new system, will you promise to also maintain it? So there's benefits to you as a company owner, being able to increase your monthly recurring revenue, create loyal fans and customers, being able to have work for your team year round so that they have something to do during the shoulder season. It's also a really important decision maker for a lot of consumers who do not want to be bothered with things that are maintenance for their home, their car, their hair, or anything else. So making sure that you showcase that you stand behind your work, you maintain it, you're going to be there for them, make it easy for them to choose what kind of a maintenance program there is, and make it so that that's part of belonging to a club, a loyalty club that comes with other benefits, such as your filter auto ship program, or maybe it's changing batteries and they get free batteries for all of their fire detectors, or a home security audit, or an indoor air quality audit included with all of your maintenance, or discounts on future services, and so forth. So bottom line is, most consumers are going to do the majority of their research on their website before you even have a conversation with them. So if that's on their checklist of one of the things that's important to them as a consumer, the last thing you would want to do is leave it off your website, have a consumer never even know that you offer it because they just simply went to the next dealer who did have it posted on their website. I'd like to invite you to take a minute, sit down for a complimentary strategy session with our team. Give us this opportunity to learn a little bit about you, your business, where you are, where you want to go, so our team of experts can help you create a clear roadmap and define exactly how to accomplish those goals faster. I'm confident that once you spend some time with our team, you'll see that CI Web Group is the clear choice.